Guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making taco filling. For this, we'll be needing some chicken, some boneless chicken cut into small cubes, around 1 teaspoon of garlic, onions, capsicum, cabbage, and tomato. You can use whatever vegetables you want. I've just cut some up into small cubes so that it's easier when you're eating them. For the spices, we'll be needing black pepper, salt, and red chili flakes, half teaspoon of each. So we're gonna start by sauteing the vegetables in this pan over here. So I'm just gonna turn this pan on medium-low heat. And I'm going to just add some oil in here. To add all of my vegetables in here, and I'm going to let them just cook a bit. To give some taste, I'm going to be adding some salt and pepper in here as well. So I'm just going to add some black pepper and some salt in here, and add in some more oil. Just give this a nice stir. So while our vegetables are sauteing, we're going to be putting the spices in our chicken breast. So I'm just gonna put our chicken in this. Add some half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper, and half teaspoon of red chili flakes. And I'm just gonna mix these in until all the chicken is covered. Now that our vegetables are sauteed, we're going to be putting this in our bowl over here. And I'm going to, in the same bowl, I'm just going to be putting this back on the stove, adding a little bit of oil. I'm going to add our garlic in here with our spoon. I'm going to add some garlic in here. And I'm going to take our chicken, and we're going to let the garlic brown, and I'm just going to add some oil in here. So now I'm just going to go ahead and add our chicken in. And I'm going to let this cook until the chicken is cooked. The chicken is ready. We're going to turn the stove off, and we're going to add this in our veggies. Chicken is put in. We're going to mix our vegetables in. So now that it's mixed in, you can serve it in a taco shell, and it's really yummy, and because the vegetables are in already, so it's also really kid friendly, so everyone enjoys eating tacos. So this is the taco filling, and I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please try these recipes at home. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos. Bye.